In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the lowest number in Excel. Finding the smallest value in a list is a common task, whether you're tracking expenses, test scores, or sensor readings. Excel makes this super quick with a built-in function, and we'll walk through it step by step so you know exactly what to do and why it works. First, decide where you want the answer to appear. Click the empty cell where you want Excel to display the lowest number. This can be right below your data, off to the side, or on a summary sheet. Just choose a clear spot so the result is easy to find later. Now, we'll enter the formula. Start by typing an equals sign to tell Excel you're entering a formula. Then type MIN, followed by an opening parenthesis. Next, select the range that contains your numbers. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells, or by typing the cell references directly, like A2, A20. Once your range is selected, close the parenthesis. Your formula should look something like E equals MIN, A2, A20. This tells Excel to scan those cells and return the smallest numeric value it finds. Before we confirm it, a few quick tips. MIN works with numbers, including decimals and negative values. It ignores blank cells and text automatically, so labels in your table won't interfere. However, if any cell in the range contains an error like #NA, the result will also be an error until that's resolved. If your data spans a row instead of a column, that's fine too. Just select the correct horizontal range. And if your list will grow over time, consider selecting a larger range than you currently need or using a structured table so new entries are included. Once you're confident your range is correct, press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate and display the lowest number in the cell you selected at the start. If you see a result you didn't expect, double-check that the range points to your actual data and that there aren't any hidden filters or stray text entries using formatting that looks like a number. That's all there is to it. Pick the result cell, type MIN with your range in parentheses, and press Enter. With this simple formula in place, you'll always have the smallest value at a glance, helping you spot outliers, set thresholds, or just summarize your data quickly and reliably.